A small village lives a hardworking farmer, Raju and his friend Arjun. Every day, Raju will go to his fields and planting seeds and taking care of his crops. Every day, Raju's friend Arjun will think about how to rich in faster without doing work. Every day, Arjun will go to Raju and talk about his plans.
Hi Raju. When I became rich, I will buy a big house, the best clothes, even a shiny car.
Raju smiled and continued working. Months passed. Raju's crop grew beautifully. Every day, he go to shop and he buy money. Earning a good amount of money. It is earning. He repaired his old house and brought better tools for farming and provided better food for his family. Meanwhile, Arjun was thinking about how to become rich quickly without no money in pocket. One day, he go to his friend Raju.
Raju, how the dream comes true? My dear friend, dreams do not come true by themselves. You have to work hard to make them real. Money isn't earned by wishing for it.
Moral: money comes through hard work, not just dreaming. Thank you.